In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to attach our wall to the ceiling. Since we use construction adhesive to attach the bottom of our wall to the floor, now we need to attach the top of our wall to the ceiling. We're going to be using some long screws to attach our top plate to the ceiling. Now I know that behind the drywall, they had to nail the drywall into something. So if I screw along the back edge, it's going to hit a stud in the ceiling, and that's really going to secure this in place. I'm going to continue this on about every other stud. That should be enough to secure our wall in place.